Hi, my name is Saul de Lima Silva. I'm 20 years old. I'm from Mexico. My father is a teacher and my mother is a housewife. I have two brothers and one sister. Actually, I have two pets. I like playing baseball. Well, I think it's the best sport in the world. Playing the guitar, swimming, exercising, dancing all kind of music, going out with my friends and my family. Well, I think I'm very friendly. Currently, I'm studying to be an English teacher. That's why I want to work in a summer camp. I consider it would help me to improve my English skills. Also, I think that being in touch with native speakers will be really useful. On the other hand, I would like to know other people to share experiences. I really want to be in the USA to know more about this huge country. I hope you give me the opportunity to work in your camp. Thanks.